Finally, the issue one.
Orange. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flood warning for
Finally!
Southwestern Lake County in East Central Florida, Southwestern Orange County in East Central
About
Florida.
time you did this, Melbourne.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms continuing. Flooding is ongoing in the warned area.
Oh no.
Between 3 and 5 inches of
WR300's
rain
first
have
flood
fallen.
warning. And my 991's first.
Experienced flooding include Orlando, Ocoee, Winter
Alright,
Garden,
I gotta put batteries in you.
Bay Lake, Oak Ridge, Conway, Orlando International Airport, Claremont, Belle Isle, Oakland, Horizon West, Big Hill, Dr. Phillips, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, Orla Vista, Lake Louisa, Hunters Creek, and Pine Castle. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Rainfall totals at some locations may reach 6 inches. Turn around.
That's a FFW right there.
Encountering flooded roads.
FFE.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when the dangers of flooded roads are more difficult to observe.